Hi guys, this is Bridget again, doing my second vlog, doing my product vlog. You're not going to see me in this particular video because I just got out of the shower and I happen to look a bit like a mop. So let me get started real quick. I'm probably going to have to do 2 or 3 videos, separate ones, because of this stupid 3-minute increment thing that my camera puts on me, but I'll do the best I can and I apologize in advance for that. Start with hair. We've kind of went organic with everything in our lives, and this is the result. This is by Desert Essence. It's organic. It's hair care. This is the conditioner. I have the shampoo too, but this smells so good, like fresh lemons. Your hair smells really fresh and clean when you use this, and it's not expensive either. I think maybe $4 or $5 for a tube. So it's not too bad, and it doesn't have all the preservatives and junk that other products have. This is something I bought years ago, and it's lasted me probably, oh my gosh, 5 years. It's Sunglitz, and it's pricey. You can see what I paid, $38.95 for it. But like I said, this bottle has lasted me for a long time. I don't have naturally shiny hair like a lot of people have, so I have to buy product to make my hair look shiny. And this is what I choose to use. It's really good, and it doesn't make my hair greasy. Good stuff. Bumble and Bumble. I'm a Bumble and Bumble junkie. This is my favorite Bumble and Bumble product. It's Conscious Curl. My hair is naturally wavy to curly, and this just really helps control and tame the curls. Love this stuff. It's not heavy, does not make my hair greasy. Great product. Bumble and Bumble is a little pricey, but like I said, these bottles, they last forever. This is the Bumble and Bumble styling cream. I don't use it quite as much because it tends to make my hair a little greasy and heavy. Still a really good product, but just for my particular hair, not quite the right thing to use. I used to use this all the time. It's also Bumble and Bumble. It's a styling clay. Perfect for those little short, flippy, edgy haircuts. When I used to have that short, flippy hair, I used this all the time, but now that my hair is longer, it's kind of obsolete. But this is perfect stuff for those short, flippy haircuts. And this is the Bumble and Bumble Brilliantine. It's kind of like the Sunglitz, only I don't like this as well. It's a little heavier and makes my hair a little oilier, so I don't use it as much, but basically the same type of deal. Okay, I'm going to stop now and start again in a minute because I'm about ready to run out of time. So be right back.